Hello everyone. Today we are going to take you on a tour of the Raudra office offline mentorship program. And this place is built for just one thing, getting you the rank. Let's go. First stop is the study hall. And this is the heart of Raudra. This is the place where serious GATE students sit down, cut down the world, and get into deep preparation mode. Exactly what you need when you are preparing for the toughest exams in India. Now, long study hours requires fuel. So that's what the kitchen is for. Grab a quick snack or make some coffee, recharge yourself, and get back to study. We have covered everything you want. Now, let's move to the second floor and see what we have got for you, a dedicated gym setup. Whenever you feel stressed or your mind isn't working, just come out here, do some quick workout, and get recharged. Whenever you need a break or want to get some fresh air, we have dedicated balconies in every floor. Here, you can get some fresh air, or you might find some people studying here at 3 a.m. And the best part, our office also has a room for living, so you don't have to waste any time in commuting. We have very well ventilated, fully air conditioned room for everyone. Also, a dedicated room for girls. Coming to the third floor, this is Ravi sir's office, and this is his studio. Monday to Saturday, recordings are done here, and on the Sunday night, it becomes a movie hall. As Sir used to say, we work hard and we party even harder. We also have a dedicated yoga balcony. Gate preparation is mentally intense, and a quick morning yoga session helps you to stay calm, focused, and stress free throughout the whole journey.